Hello dear children, now it's time for the revision. Okay, so in this page we had understood about the different types of pronouns. Okay, also just by your previous knowledge you were supposed to identify and underline different types of pronouns. Okay, personal, possessive, emphatic, reflexive, interrogative, demonstrative and distributive. All these are the total different 7 types of pronouns we had discussed. Okay, now let's see the personal pronoun first in the next page. Okay, as you can see, personal pronouns are categorized in 3 different parts. Okay, what are these 3 different parts? First person, second person and third person. These are the 3 different categories of personal pronouns. Okay, and they are again categorized in 2 different parts, singular and plural. Singular means one, and everything more than one, everything else more than one is known as plural. एक से ज़्यादा मतलब अनेक वचन, बहुवचन जिसे बोलते हैं. Okay, that is also known as plural. Fine, now let's see first person, second person, third person. Okay, first person means बोलने वाला, second person सुनने वाला, जिसके बारे में बात हो रही है that is third person. So if you are talking then I, if I am speaking then I am first person, its plural is we. Okay, they both can be converted into their objects, I as me, we into as us, sorry. Okay, so I, me, we, us. So I is a subject, me is an object. What is the difference between a subject and an object? Okay, see, subject is doer, for example I, he, she, it, anything. So if you are doing something then you can use you in the sentence. So if someone is doing any action, that person is known as subject. If you are doing homework, so I will mention this in the sentence, you are doing your homework nicely. Then who is the doer of the action? You. So you will also be known as subject. Subject किसे कहेंगे? जो action करता है. और कर्म means object, means one who receives the action. One who receives the action, action का प्रभाव जिस पे पड़ता है, that thing is, that person or thing is known as object. Okay, okay, for example you will understand through more examples through the sentences. Okay, when I'll observe any object and subject in a sentence I'll tell you. Okay, second person is also discussed, it is you in subject and object both. जिसके बारे में बात होती है that is known as third person, he, she, it, and their objects are he, her, him and it. एंड द प्लूरल इज़ दे फॉर ऑल मेल्स एंड फीमेल्स. ऐसा महिलाओं और पुरुषों जैसा कुछ नहीं है इंग्लिश में, इट इज़ सिंपली दे. इन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज मेल एंड फीमेल बोथ आर दे, नो महिलाओं और नो पुरुषों, ओनली दे फॉर ऑल जेंडर्स. ओके, फॉर ऑल जेंडर्स दे इज इक्वल्स टू इट्स ऑब्जेक्ट देम. ओके, नाउ दिस इज द आंसर की ऑफ सेक्शन ए. ओके, जस्ट करेक्ट इट इफ़ यू आर रॉन्ग. आपने होमवर्क किया होगा तो आपको इसमें से आंसर की देखना है आपका सवाल का जवाब सही है या गलत है, दैट यू नीड टू चेक. ओके, so as I told you I will tell you about the object also. I will show you one of the examples. Okay, now here as you can see this is the page wherein the that task is continued. Okay, that task is continued here and it has ended in this particular line. Okay, so let's see this small little example for subject and object. I love them. I love them is a short sentence. I subject हो गया, action कौन सा करना है? love means family को love कर रहे हैं. Okay, so them is the object. Object means who is receiving the action, he is loving it, and who is receiving that loving feeling of a family member? them. Them means family member. आप ये पैराग्राफ रीड करोगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा. So this is how you can observe the difference between subject and object. Okay, now it was the time for possessive pronoun. I had explained you. Possessive pronoun means आपकी खुद की कोई चीज़ होती है जब, तब आप बोलते हो ना mine, yours, theirs, किसी और की है तो. So these words are used. But one very simple thing you need to take care is what? All types of personal pronouns are only converted into possessive pronouns. All types of personal pronouns means I, you, he, she, it वी दे, दीज आर द पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस, उन्हीं को हम पजेसिव प्रोनाउन में कन्वर्ट करेंगे। आपकी खुद की, दूसरों की खुद की कोई चीज़ हो तो खुद की, आपकी और किसी और की। ओके, सो ऑल फर्स्ट सेकेंड एंड थर्ड पर्सन कैन बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू पजेसिव प्रोनाउन। एग्जाम्पल से समझो, दिस इज श्रेया, दिस बैग इज हर्स। ओके, शी का जो पजेसिव प्रोनाउन है हर्स है, ही का हिज है, ओके, आई का माइन है, यू का योर्स है। सो all the clues were given here, only you had to put them in these sentences. Just read these sentences carefully, आपको ध्यान में आ जाएगा। ओके, आंसर की is given here. Fine, now we are in page number 22. Here we will talk about possessive pronoun and possessive adjectives. ये सारे pronoun adjective भी हो सकते हैं। ओके, ये आपको समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है। But in which case, remember one thing, one very easy thing you need to remember is underline the possessive pronoun and circle the possessive adjective. ये टास्क था तो आपको ध्यान में एक ही चीज़ रखने बोला था मैंने, if you remember. Okay, when there is an auxiliary verb before or after any possessive pronoun, तो वो simply possessive pronoun ही रहेगा। But पजेसिव प्रोनाउन के ठीक बाद में कोई नाउन है, इफ़ देर इज़ एनी नाउन, फॉर एग्जांपल आंट, मतलब आंटी लोग जो होते हैं, इंग्लिश में AUNT शॉर्टकट में बोला जाता है आंट। सो दिस वर्ड इज़ ऑलवेज पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव, इन दैट केस इट इज़ पजेसिव एडजेक्टिव। एक और एग्जांपल समझो, देयर हाउस, देयर क्या है, एक तरह का पजेसिव प्रोनाउन है, देयर इज़ अ टाइप ऑफ पजेसिव प्रोनाउन। देन what do you see here, right after that there is a noun, then it becomes possessive adjective simply. But it is possessive pronoun जब उसके बाद auxiliary या auxiliary verb है, main verb नहीं, any main verb और auxiliary verb. So is am are क्या होता है, auxiliary verb, is am are, was were, have has had, will shall, all the be being been, all these are auxiliary verbs. Okay, बचपन से आपको पढ़ाया जा रहा है। So ours is a joint family, so right after the word ours there is a auxiliary verb, is am are में से आ गया। so in that case it is possessive pronoun, not possessive adjective, ये possessive pronoun बन जाता है। okay, this is how I have done this, आप अच्छे से observe करो सारे answers को। okay, answer key is given here. then let's move to the next page. Okay, now it is the time for emphatic and reflexive. Okay, I have one suggestion for you. Emphatic and reflexive pronouns सब एक जैसे ही दिखते। So what I have a suggestion for you, just simply observe the sentence structure. Don't go in the fuss of finding different types. इसको सिर्फ sentence structure को आपको समझना है. Don't get into the fuss of identifying whether it's reflexive or emphatic. Okay. When you see the sentences carefully, Nakul is deceiving himself. So this becomes emphatic pronoun because it tells you that it emphasizes on the subject. Nakul and himself, they both are same. So किसके ऊपर ज़्यादा जोर दिया जा रहा है? On Nakul himself. So when emphasizes on the subject, तब वो emphatic pronoun होता है. Okay. What is the meaning of subject? I am repeatedly asking you. One who performs the action, जो action करता है, that is known as subject. And in the second case, what is a reflexive pronoun? I hurt myself. I खुद ने किया और खुद को बता रहे. Okay, in that case it is reflexive pronoun, means when the subject and object are the same. Okay, when the subject and object both are same. So in that case it is reflexive pronoun. We ourselves were not interested. Okay, we were not interested ourselves, एक दोनों तरीके से बोला जाता है. But when they are next to each other, we ourselves, okay, and this we thanked ourselves, the students corrected themselves. So I have underlined all types of emphatic pronoun and I have circled all the types of reflexive pronoun. The tree itself and we ourselves, तो इसमें action doer और reflexive pronoun आजू बाजू में ही आए हैं. So that is the reason I have circled them. And what was my suggestion? I had suggested you that just simply observe the sentence structure. Okay, उसका type identify करोगे, definition की तरफ ध्यान दोगे, you will never understand. Just see the sentence structure. How can you construct such types of sentences with emphatic pronouns and reflexive pronoun. That's it. Okay, that is a small little suggestion from me. Okay, so we have done with it, and then let's move to the next page. When it's time for which type of pronoun? This is nothing but interrogative pronoun. Okay, interrogative pronoun, asking questions. Questions पूछने के लिए आप लोग मोस्टली कौन से टाइप के वर्ड यूज़ करते हो? They all they are WH type of words, right? All they are WH type of words. Now see, where are those words? I'll show you. Wait. Now here are those words. Okay, so what, whose, who, which, what, whom, what. So simply you had to circle all these types of question related words. उनको interrogative means पूछना, question पूछना, that is interrogation. Simple. Okay, so इसमें आपको बहुत ज़्यादा stress नहीं देना है. Just again the similar thing I'll explain you once again. Interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives कैसे आप separate कर सकते हो. सेम रूल एज इफ़ दे आर इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन आपको अंडरलाइन करना था. उसके बाजू में क्या आएगा? इज़ या एम या आर, वॉज, वर एंड सो ऑन. वॉज, वर, हैव, हैज़, हैड. राइट आफ्टर WH टाइप वर्ड के बाद में तुरंत बाद इफ़ देर इज एम आर, वॉज, वर, हैव, हैज़, हैड, विल, शैल, देन इट इज़ इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन. इफ आफ्टर दैट देर इज़ अ नाउन, जैसे विच के बाद चैप्टर ये नाउन है, स्टेप्स क्या है? नाउन है. सो देन यू हैड टू सर्कल इट. नोटबुक क्या है? नाउन है. देन in that case what does it become? It becomes interrogative adjective. It becomes interrogative adjective. Okay, answer key is given here too. Okay, demonstrative pronoun भी बताया था, means indicate करना, to show something, this, that, those, these. Okay, this, if thing is near to you then you use these, अगर दूर है तो that. Okay, they have their conversions into plurals also, singular, plural. This का plural, these means more than one आपके पास रखी हुई चीज़ है. Only one है, then you will use this. If more than one, then you will use these. Okay, and that and those in the same case. Far है, singular है, then you use that. If it is more than one, then you will use those, means thing which are far away from you, those use करना. Okay, so in this case again the similar thing you had to do as adjectives and as pronouns. Okay, as adjectives, as pronouns, is, are आ गया, इसीलिए this, that, these, those सब क्या बन गए? pronouns. But right after that there are some certain nouns. Girl, fruit, parcel, all these are nouns. That is the reason this becomes adjective. Adjective, which type of adjective? Demonstrative adjective. Okay, demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronouns. That's it. Okay, nothing much about it. So easy, and we have completed the answers also, as you can check. Okay, now this is the second last page of the chapter. Answers are given here also. Fine. Now the last one was distributive. इन सबको एक ही चीज़ आपको बहुत ध्यान से याद रखना है कि दे ऑल कैरी ओ सिंगुलर वर्ब. सिंगुलर वर्ब कौन से होते हैं? इज़ सिंगुलर वर्ब है, एम सिंगुलर वर्ब है, और वॉज इज़ ऑल्सो सिंगुलर वर्ब. विल कैन बी यूज्ड फॉर सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल बोथ. इज़, एम, वॉज, विल. एंड व्हाट इज़ द प्लूरल ऑफ इज़ एंड एम? आर इसका प्लूरल रहता है in present tense. And what is the plural of was? Plural means more than one, were होता है. Okay, what is plural of has? Has का plural have होता है. Okay, listen to my video again and again, ये सब आपको याद करना है. These are very important things. But as I had told you when I started this, all these distributive pronouns will carry singular verb. Singular verb मतलब कौन से verb? is, am, was, has, does, यही सारे singular verb इसमें लगेंगे. Okay, so as you can see in this paragraph also, in the modern world each of us had to take care. So it talks about plural, many, each. Okay, so everyone. Okay, each of us, so it can be replaced by each of us also. Fine. So you need to just see everyone, none, any, each, either, neither. All these are distributive pronouns, and what you had to do, you had to complete this particular paragraph by adding appropriate distributive pronoun. Okay, each of us ये क्या है, सिंगुलर है, प्लूरल होने के बावजूद भी कौन सा ऑक्सिलरी लेता है, सिंगुलर वाला. हैज़ क्या है, हैज़ इज़ ऑल्सो सिंगुलर. इन द लेक्चर ओनली आई हैव टोल्ड यू. सो एज यू कैन सी हैज़ आ गया. नन ऑफ अस, अगेन नन इज टॉकिंग अबाउट मोर देन वन, स्टिल ईज आ गया. ओके, एंड ओके यू जस्ट नीड टू रब इट एंड राइट ईच ऑफ अस हियर. मैनी को कट कर देंगे आप. ऑल दीज मैनी, so many, you will have to cut. Okay, they will not be used because many is used for plural. Okay, each of my family members again talks about members more than one. Okay, but still उसके साथ कौन सा वाला verb जाएगा, singular verb ही जाता है. This thing you need to see carefully. Okay, and it is done till this page. None, either are also used. Okay, so one should do either of these. नन ऑफ दीज इज, नन ऑफ दीज तो एक से ज़्यादा के बारे में बात हो रही है ना. दिस सिंगुलर के लिए THE ऐसी, दीज मोर देन वन. सो इन दिस केस एज यू कैन सी इज यूज्ड, इज यूज हुआ है यहाँ पे, हुआ है कि नहीं. सो बट इवन इफ इट इज़ प्लूरल, बट फिर भी नन के बाद इज यूज होगा. This thing should be taken care properly. Okay, this is all about the revision and the answer key given by me. Okay, so we have done with it. Thank you, take care.